Another one of my great quotes. All that matters is that you are the one pouring the water. To me, that just means stay in charge, right? Do you know a person who is always happy and positive about themselves and life in general? You gotta believe they are in charge. They never seem to have a problem, and they are always able to deal with things in life with composure and grace. Do you wish you were more like them? And you are able to deal with your life circumstances like they do? These people have a way of seeing life as being the half full glass, where even if things are going downhill, they find something positive to focus on. This way of viewing life is natural for some people, but for the rest of us, it is a learned response. Think of that. It is a learned response. It results from making an intention to look at the positive and not to dwell on the negative. Now, unfortunately, it sounds so easy, but in reality, so difficult to execute. How do people learn to focus on the half full glass and not the half empty one? And remain positive about the whole process? Well, it's not easy to be thankful when faced with difficult circumstances, right? However, practicing gratitude helps us deal with the most difficult experiences we may face in our lives. It is the key to optimism and seeing the good in everything. Half glass full thinking seeks to clarify a situation before complaining about it. It asks whether a compliment will make the situation better or worse, and if it will help to resolve the issue. In most cases, the answer to both these questions is no. A clear perspective on the situation can help us resolve a situation. Maintaining an attitude of gratitude helps us maintain a positive perspective on most things that happen in our life. It helps to keep the glass half full, even in the most difficult circumstances. This is why I've included the gratitude journal for you to download. Fill it up with things you're grateful about.